In this video, I'm going to show you how to make header the same color as background in Wix. Now, if you take a look at my website right here, you will see that the header is a different color to the background. So let me head over to my editor and show you how to change that. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to click on the header itself and then head over to change background. Now, please do note that if you have an image in place, please remove the image first before I show you the step, because the image is obviously not a color, so you want to get rid of it as a whole. So once you've done that, you will probably have a different color right here, for example, white as it is in my case. So what you want to do is click on settings right here, and then I want you to just reduce the opacity to 0, just like that. And that way your header will naturally become whatever color is below the preset color. For example, in my case, white. Now, if that doesn't work and you want to actually capture the color of this background here and then have it onto the header itself, what you can do is click on the background here, as it is in my case, then click on change background. And from here, I want you to click on color. And then this is the color right here. So what you want to do is click on edit. And then this is the color right here. Click on that. And then copy this code right here by pressing Control and C. And then head back again. Then click on your header, change background, color, and then I want you to add the color at the bottom here. Click that, and then copy and paste the code that we just copied. Click on apply, and just like that, your color of the header is now going to be the same as the background. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make header color the same as background in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.